Welcome to the penultimate day of the Big Spring Clean sale at Tonic Studios USA, where you can enjoy exclusive craft bundles at outstanding prices added daily until the 1st of June. Your first bundle today is a Craft Perfect watercolour card bundle with 3 pads of watercolour card in A2, A6 and A4. Create your next masterpiece with this essential collection, available at 60% off to just $8.39. Next, we have a Nuvo Aqua bundle containing 5 3-pen packs of our popular trend colour palettes, perfect for colouring or creating backgrounds, and available this weekend at just 75% off to only $17.49. We have an essential cutting tools bundle next containing the must-have V-blade trimmer and handy guillotine, available at 60% off to $15.59. Our next bundle is a foiled craft card bundle containing 2 A2 packs of gorgeously detailed card bases, available now at an amazing 80% off retail price to just $2.40. Finally, we have a musical mega bundle with 7 die sets in rhythmic designs. At 75% off to only $7.08, this selection will be hard to beat. That's day 10 of our Big Spring Clean sale. Get these limited edition bundles while you can, and check back tomorrow for our final day of amazing deals.